Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yuak kloy ki kubor na ke jela. Menteri Rangba duk ke Sarkar Jela, Conrad K. Sangma, menin ke arpawai terik unai wing arhajar arpuar, ulalit ban pili perda, ya umau nong rim ke namdong CNRD blok, kabela sak teng neduk ke snem arhajar nyo. Lepen long ya ke jingyalang Hamadan Sari Namdong B. Hakatai ke sengi ladon rengkat nadu menteri ke kam jengok kai perthai, umas nyau halang dhar, UMLA ke R. Jawai, uma wailat Miki Shilla, UCEM ka JHADC Umma Thombor Shiwat, Director ka CNRD Department Shillong, CB Chakravarti Sadhu, Deputy Commissioner ka West Jaintia Hills District, Uba Batlang S. Soalia, Project Director PK Boro, Kiwei ki Officer, Bat ki Pajba Nong Shong Shnong. Hakajuk ka sengi Menteri Rangba ula yoru, ban pli sa lai teli ki mau nong rim, ya ka namdong CHC, ke Greater Moknang Lumrod Water Supply Scheme ke Balakot Hadu Saupon Rio Klur Khat Arlak Arpun Rio Jar Lais Pak San Potengka Hapok ke JGM Scheme ke Surok Jawai Nartiang Kediap Khanduli Road ke Badon Kumba Sanpo Kendai Point Kendai San kilometer haka jinglut ke ba Saupo Klur Tengka ya ke ba on pentrei dakatenat PWD roads bat ke ba on sedang mankot tender hau benai no pra arhajar arpuar lakhap ribon ru ya arteliki kalikit nongpang hakate ke jingyalang
This would not have been possible without the blessings from above. Today, not only do we witness the inauguration of the CNRD block, but we also have the upgradation of the Namdong CHC. We also have the foundation stone of the Greater Moknang Lumrod Water Supply Scheme, which is more than 46 crores of sanction. And fourth, the JNKK road, which also has been a long pending demand of the people of this area, for which 40 crores have been sanctioned. The tender has been floated, and we expect that the work order will be given within the next week or 10 days. And by December, we expect that the work for the JNKK road will also start. We also have today distribution of poultry and piglets under the Progress Mission, which is one of the major initiatives of this MDA government in order to help the farmers and the people living in the rural areas to bring up their livelihood. So hence today's program and today's events are truly historic in nature and a day that the people of Namdong area will remember for a very, very long time. When on this particular day so many programs have been implemented, so many inaugurations being done, and so many foundation stones where sanction has already been done, and we expect the works to start. So a very, very memorable day for the people of this area today. And therefore, there is a move by this government to ensure that certain services for which people have to travel very far, we will try to reform the administration. We will try to make amendments in the functioning of the blocks, so that we are able to provide more services through blocks. We have plans to ensure that the first point will be the only contact that a person should have. A citizen does not need to travel to the district headquarters for the services. A citizen does not have to travel to the subdivision for services. If we can have counters, if we can have manpower trained to be able to receive those applications, and then send them further to the respective subdivisions or respective deputy commissioner's office, then the travel time and the inconvenience for the people will be reduced. And hence, I strongly feel that that can be done. And let me tell you, we are working on it. So I hope that in the coming days, though the certificates and the necessary sanctions and necessary orders will come out from subdivision office or from the DC office, at least the public will not have to travel long distance to avail those services. Administration, so that we are able to provide easy service and accessibility to the people. This is one of the main objectives, and I hope that in the coming months and years, we will be able to make those reforms for the benefit of the people. So my friends, I will not take much time. I know that I will not be able to communicate to you in local language, and hence it is a challenge. But I thought that since social media is there and many other parts of the state also are listening, that I would like to share my thoughts with all of you on what the government has done and how we plan to move forward. And hence, with all this work that we have done, we are moving ahead. And I do expect that in the coming days, with your blessing and the blessing from above, that this government will be able to continue and to be able to deliver and continue to deliver all the different development aspects that are there and that you need and you deserve to get. And therefore, friends, we will come back again as the election approaches. We will discuss. We will campaign during that time. But as a government and as a Chief Minister, it does give me a great sense of satisfaction to see the different works that have happened in this constituency. And I know that there is much more to be done. But let me assure you, the work has started. The work will continue. And together, you and I, your local MLA and all of us, will ensure that we transform not just this area, but Natyam constituency as a whole and our state as a whole. With these few words, once again, I congratulate our local MLA and I wish each and every one of you the very best.